Burning Question, powered by Ola, New Ford Aspire, Siska LED, and Vidol Engine Oil.
It's the biggest ever expose in the Sardha scam. Republic Bharat stings key accused Kunal Ghosh. Stung by Republic Bharat, former Mamta aide spills beans to expose the complete cover-up. Republic unmasks the truth in the Sardha scam. The TMC government stands completely exposed.
ये जो भ्रष्ट लोगों का गठबंधन है, जो ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि संघीय ढांचा कोलैप्स कर रहा है.
Yogi's rally stalled, CBI officers blocked. Is this Mamta's way of saving democracy?
Mamta ji has become completely demoralized because of the overpowering support of the people of Bengal for the cause of BJP.
And BJP takes Mamta Banerjee head-on, says the West Bengal chief minister is scared. Welcome everyone, you're watching The Burning Question. I'm Shivani Gupta. In yet another explosive sting by Republic Bharat, senior news editor Shravan Sen has stung Mamta's ex-aide, who's also a key accused in the Sardha scam. He reveals how Mamta Banerjee's government, the entire administration under her, including several police officers, have scuttled the probe over the years. Listen in.
In your experience, how has Rajiv Kumar's role been in terms of suppression of evidence?
ও চলে যাওয়ার পর থেকে সুদীপ সেন চলে যাওয়ার পর থেকে রুলিং পার্টি যে সুদীপ সেনের প্রপার্টিগুলো দখল করে নিল, এন্টায়ার মিডিয়া প্রপার্টিটা, সেটা তো পুরোটাই রাজীব কুমারকে সামনে নেবে.
হ্যাজ দেয়ার বিন এনি মানে an occasion যেখানে হি ইজ ডিরেক্টলি স্পোকেন টু ইউ মানে অ্যাট এনি টাইম, মানে বাট থ্রু অর্ণব ঘোষ?
অর্ণবের সঙ্গে তো আমার রেগুলার কথা. রাজীব কি ভালো জানতো যে অর্ণব তো শুরু হয়েছে ওপরের ব্যাপার, আমি কি করবো বলুন. এই যে ওপরের ব্যাপার যে আমি কত জায়গায় শুনেছি তার কোনো ইয়ে নেই. রাজীব ভালো জানতো আমার সঙ্গে অন্যায় হচ্ছে, ফলে ও নিজে ডাইরেক্টলি আমাকে ডিল করেনি, ও অফিসে বসছিল.
অর্ণব ইন হোয়াট সেন্স ওয়াজ হি প্রেশারাইজিং?
এইটা বলবেন না, এই নামগুলো আপনি বলবেন না, আপনি এটা বলুন.
মানে নট টেক নেমস অফ তৃণমূল লিডার্স,
একদম গভর্নমেন্ট আমার ডায়েরি করা আছে অ্যারেস্ট হওয়ার আগে, সেগুলো আমি সিনিয়র কাছে, সেগুলো সিবিসির কাছে দিয়েছি. মানে অ্যারেস্ট হওয়ার আগে,
মানে ক্লিয়ারলি এই কথাটা
অ্যারেস্ট হওয়ার দিন
এই কথাটা কি আপনি সিনিয়র সাথে হ্যাভ ইউ শেয়ারড ইট, যেখানে বলছে কি ইউ হ্যাভ আ সিনিয়র আইপিএস অফিসার লাইক অর্ণব ঘোষ টেলিং ইউ নট টু টেক নেমস?
আমার ফুল স্টেটমেন্ট দেওয়া আছে. অর্ণবকে ডেকেছে তো, অর্ণব তো কোর্টে গিয়ে সেটা নিয়ে বসে আছে. আমি তো অফার দিয়েছি যে আমাকে ইয়ে করা হোক, আমি তো জয়েন্ট সেশন চেয়েছি অর্ণবের সঙ্গে.
আর সারাক্ষণ অর্ণব স্টেটমেন্টের উপর থেকে প্রেশার,
ওর সঙ্গে তিন থাকতে একটা
কনস্ট্যান্টলি এইটাই হলো স্ট্যান্ড কি
এটা বলবেন না, এটা বলবেন না. আপনি বলুন তাহলে টাকাগুলো কোথায় গেল? কারণ আপনি সব আমার থেকে ভালো জানেন যে ফিনান্স আর অ্যাকাউন্টসটা আমার ডিপার্টমেন্ট ছিল না. আপনি ওই নামগুলো বলবেন না, আপনি পার্টির নাম বলবেন না, আপনি ইয়ের নাম বলবেন না, আপনি এটা দেবেন না, এই ডকুমেন্ট নেবো না. আপনি নেবো না বলছেন কি করে? আমি তো আমার স্টেটমেন্ট দিয়েছি, সেইগুলো সমস্ত এনাদের কাছে পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছি. সিবিআই ডেকেছিল এগুলো পাওয়ার পর.
So in the face of all the exclusive news breaks that Republic TV and Republic Bharat have been bringing you, these are the burning questions we're asking tonight. On top of everybody's mind is the very, very serious question: is Kolkata police, Bengal police, destroying evidence connected to the Sardha scam and other chit fund scam probe? Because if that is the case, then it puts the entire probe in jeopardy. Secondly, we also ask, is the Mamata Banerjee dharna really for self-protection? Why is it that she's jumping into this when it's a matter between CBI and police? And finally, we ask, is this so-called Save India dharna a ruse really to stall scam probe? Was the heat getting too close for Mamata Banerjee to handle? Zafar Islam, national spokesperson of the BJP, Monica Arora, advocate Supreme Court, leans towards the BJP. Also, Ravi Srivastava, political analyst, former member of the Aam Aadmi Party, joining us on this show. Sunil Chopra will be with us very soon. Ravi Srivastava, I want to come to you first. For how long is the Save India ruse going to work? It seems to be a cure for all ills. If you have probe going against you and members of your party, sit on a dharna, say we are saving India, does that suffice everything?
See, first of all, what Modi-Shah duo are doing with the institutions, it is deplorable. And the way they are misusing it, that has become exposed completely. Now the point is that who was the main culprit of this Sarada scam? Mr. Mukul Roy. Mr. Mukul Roy today crossed the floor to BJP, never inquired about anything, no CBI inquiry against him, and he becomes a clean man. And he becomes a clean person in BJP. So what is the sanctity of this kind of a probe? And secondly,
you are supporting Congress Party,
Mr. Zafar Islam, can you allow me to finish? Then you can speak over.
These are all most
Mr. Zafar Islam, can you allow me to finish? Then you can speak over, I'll hear you.
You know it, you know.
Mr. Zafar Islam, please quiet. Let me finish up. Then you speak.
Is on bail.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
You are not
Can I intervene, gentlemen? I just want to intervene. Ravi Srivastava, you've been a founding member of the Aam Aadmi Party. Now the India Against Corruption movement, and in the Aam Aadmi Party was founded on the principles of fighting corruption, especially at the top hierarchy of governance. Now I'm guessing you still follow those principles, even if you're no longer a member of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Shivani.
On the stink of corruption of the chit fund scams,
Shivani,
several TMC leaders whose names have come out.
We continue
Are you telling me that you're going to sit here and give Mamata Banerjee the clean chit or her government or her party? And you're going to tell me that you will use political reasons to justify her stalling a probe?
Even the CBI searched his bedroom that for finding the evidence, and these people could not fix up any charge against him till date. See, fighting
Ravi
corruption
Srivastava,
is one
don't
part,
do whataboutery right now.
Vendetta
I
is
have
another
too
part.
many facts to confront you with, and it seems that you're running away from those facts. Let me first also tell you, Republic TV accessed letters. Please don't talk over me. Republic TV accessed letters which showed that CBI wrote to the Kolkata police and told them, we are conducting this special operation. We want your cooperation and protection. And look at what happened yesterday. All of this hue and cry and this drama for dharna. Are you telling me this is not to stall the probe?
No.
Very quickly, then I'll get in Zafar Islam.
No, not at all. Not at all. You are going to raid a person with 40 CBI officers at 6 p.m. on a holiday. Is he a constable? Is he a constable whom you are going to raid? You have got procedure. You get the search warrant.
You
go to court.
For probity and accountability in high places.
What kind of case
just
are you going to make
because he's a commissioner of police, are you telling me that he's not accountable to the public?
Absolutely.
Just because he's a commissioner? Are you not ashamed of taking that line today, Ravi Srivastava? Are you telling me that the might of the law can fall down on the common person in this country, but the high and mighty should have some protection?
Shivani, it's a question of timing.
What do you
are
mean
going to somebody's house at 6 o'clock on a holiday without a search warrant.
What do you mean by the fact that he is not a constable?
What kind of raid is this?
For a constable then and not for a commissioner?
You said. Your people said that they are destroying the evidence. Supreme Court has asked for it. Show the evidence. Produce the evidence tomorrow in the court that he was destroying the evidences. You will be exposed tomorrow itself. What kind of evidence you have got that he was destroying the evidence? You are alleging an IPS officer of 30 years seniority that he was destroying the evidence.
Accused of destroying the evidence. Can you then hold your judgment till then? Now don't deflect from your initial argument. Zafar Islam, are we going to sit here and hear to this bile that, oh, you can't go to the commissioner of police? Why? Is he not accountable? Is there some separate law?
Absolutely. You are spot on, Shivani. What does Mamata Banerjee think? She can support this corrupt man. Why she is trying to give protection? Why he is evading CBI? Why he is not responding to questions posed by CBI? Why he is not responding to summons given to him by CBI repeatedly? Because these two people are supporting each other. Both are corrupt. Mamta Didi is the real architect and he is the beneficiary, or they are supporting each other. But fact that today, why did she wait? The matter was in Supreme Court. Supreme Court have given its verdict tomorrow. Why did she wait? Why she had to do this drama? Purely because she wants to make this an issue. Issue purely because she has done corruption. She has cheated small time investors. She has cheated poor section of the society. She has cheated many people, and she just trying to take advantage of the situation and making it public so that she gets sympathy from other political parties. But then let me tell you, all the political parties who are supporting are corrupt.
I don't want to get into
Rahul
political
Gandhi is a
rhetoric,
corrupt man.
But the
He's
question
out on
I'm
bail.
asking, Ravi Srivastava, I'm coming back to you and Monica
No,
will
no, no.
respond to you. The big question I'm asking is this Mamta Dharna for self-protection? Is she doing this because the investigation was reaching too close to her? Ravi Srivastava.
Shivani, can I come here, please?
Now let me tell you.
You allow me? Shall I respond?
Yes, let Ravi come in for 20 seconds. Monica, you go after that.
Okay. Mamta Banerjee does not need a certificate from a channel or from a party. Her credibility is established as far as a Bengal CM for a pretty long time. And she does not need anybody's certificate for that.
The
point is,
from
and
Rahul
the charges being made that she is trying to protect someone is absolutely false. That she is fighting against Mr.
Then why is
Modi
she coming in between as a
doing a
shield for
rally
the
there.
commissioner?
Mr. Shah is going to do
why
a
is she
rally
coming
over
in
there.
between as a
They
shield
are
for the
inciting
corruption?
the
If there is
communal
nothing to
frenzy
hide,
in West Bengal.
why are
The
both
West
of them
Bengal
so
was a
spooked
peaceful
from
state
just
where
questioning?
Hindu and Muslims were living in absolute peaceful coexistence.
Oh, really?
And these people
West
are
Bengal
spoiling.
has been a
They are
peaceful
giving
state. Ravi
Trishul
Srivastava, have
to
you been
young
living under
children
a rock?
and making
Are
them
you
take out the
not aware
Is
of
it the
the
way?
bloody
That
rain
is
that
not
the
the
left
issue
had
today.
there, of which Mamta Banerjee and TMC were the victims? Now people claim that she has become worse than the left. Yes, Monica.
Thank you, Shivani. Shivani, may I just state here that on 9th of May 2014, in Subrata Chatterjee versus Union of India, Division Bench of Supreme Court clearly stated that the state agencies were investigating the Sharda Chit Fund corruption scam. Henceforth, this will be investigated by CBI. So, Supreme Court directed CBI to investigate this scam. Supreme Court stated state agencies should give all men and material. They shall cooperate. They shall give all assistance to CBI. Now, CBI has been calling this man police commissioner for last about 2 years. They have been asking him, where are the pen drives? Where are the witness statements? Why have you been so lax on investigation? Please come over. Please give your statement. He never came over. Recently, 2 notices were given to him. He never came over. CBI people went to his house to investigate. As soon as they landed there, they were gheraoed by the police of Calcutta. Thereafter, Mamta Banerjee came. She sat on a dharna. The serving police commissioner of Bengal, he also sat on a dharna with her. Thereafter, CBI offices, ED offices, they were gheraoed. CRPF had to be called to protect those offices. There is a fair amount of apprehension that
allow me, please, Shivani, now allow me to respond to her, please.
Inside.
Allow me to respond to her.
Is this Jungle Raj? Is this Republic of Bengal?
Madam
Is Bengal
Monica,
not a part of India?
you only said
Can I also
5
tell you,
years.
Ravi
What have you
including
been
Chief
doing for 5
Minister?
years?
How can
What
she
investigation
hamper
you are doing for 5
investigation?
years?
How
Tell
can
me.
she investigate?
What 5
How
years
can
you have
she
done?
intimidate
And
the CBI
third,
officials?
someone in the December,
She is
Mr.
stopping the public
Rajiv Kumar
servants
said
from doing
that
their
equal
duty.
rank
And
officers
FIR
should be made to
lodged
sit
against
on
her.
the CBI and the
people
police.
like you,
And I will
Aam Aadmi
give
Party
the
has no
information.
ideology.
But you did not
They
do
came
that.
against the
Instead,
Congress.
2
They have
months
supported
later,
the
you are
Congress.
going to raid him
They
at
clearly
6
stated
o'clock in
when
the
they were
evening
in
on
the
a holiday.
Congress that Mamta Banerjee is heading a corrupt government. Today you have come in support of Mamta Banerjee.
Yes, exactly.
So please have
That is
some
what you are
ideology.
planning.
Can I tell you
Some
another
please
hypocrisy?
take some
planning
position.
under
Monica,
350
Monica,
votes.
one second.
You are going
Trust
to
you.
dissolve the
Monica,
assembly.
do not
You are
trust
going
your
to finish
hypocrisy
up
now.
a democratically
Ravi
elected
Srivastava.
government. This is what is your
Let me
game
just
plan.
show the mirror
This is
to
the
Ravi
game plan of
Srivastava
Modi
once
and
again
Shah.
on the
You want
hypocrisy
to
of these
finish up the
so-called
government.
Aam Aadmi parties and Congress and
For your
others
own benefit.
on the issue of corruption. Ravi Srivastava, hold on. I know you are not associated with the Aam Aadmi party, but let me tell you, in Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal raises a hue and cry over IAS and IPS officers. He claims they are stooges. Here, the Commissioner of Police is sitting in a political rally and he's supporting it. Now he doesn't have a problem.
You take action.
So what ethics are you talking about?
You take action. Why don't you
Congress,
take action?
Aam Aadmi Party,
If he is
they're
an
all
IPS
exposed.
officer,
If they had any
if he is
sense,
an
they would have run away from this
IPS
Mamata Banerjee
officer who joined the
He is
dharna.
governed by the conduct and discipline appellate rules. The CDA rules of central government. You go and take action against him.
Absolutely.
He is under central government.
Do you
Why
condemn
don't you
such
take
a
the
police
action?
officer
Why you are
who
saying that
sits
he is
on
sitting
dharna
there
with
on dharna and
political
all those
party?
things?
Sir, do you
Take action
condemn him?
against him.
On
If you have
TV
got-
channel? You dare
only
not,
want
sir.
to-
You
only want to
people
finish
have
that particular
hypocrisy.
government.
You have hypocrisy in all the spheres of life. In Delhi, you are something. In JNU, you are something. Regarding Mamata, you
What
are something.
JNU? JNU,
what
your people were
drives
doing
you
the slogan
is
shouting
your
there.
selfish
Your people were
interest.
doing the tukde tukde
Tell
gang.
me,
Your
tell
people,
me,
the BJP,
how does it
ABVP
justify
people were doing it.
that the
You are
helicopter
circulating
of
a false
UP
video
Chief Minister
and making
is
false
stopped
cases.
from landing? Thereafter,
What
helicopter
JNU
from
you are
Arvind
referring to?
Kejriwal and other opposition party leaders is allowed. What is this? Why do you crush and curb dissent wherever you are? Whether Delhi or Bengal.
You are crushing the dissent.
You people are the
Mr.
most
Modi and
intolerant.
Mr. Shah are
You go to
crushing the
JNU
dissent.
and say,
Any
"Arey, this
government
is freedom
which
of
is ruled by
speech.
the
Bharat
opposition,
tere tukde
you are
ho
trying
gaye."
to finish.
And what are you doing
You are
today?
trying to finish Delhi government.
Sir, do you
are
know
trying
what
to finish
Mamata
Bengal
is
government.
doing
You are trying
to
to finish
Bengal?
Kerala government. You are
Do you know
deliberately
what
doing
Mamata
it
is doing to
everywhere.
Bengal?
You are
Do you
creating
know,
unrest.
even in the
Kerala,
panchayat
you are doing
elections,
it.
people
Sabri
cannot
Bala.
file
In
their
Bengal, you are
nomination
doing a
paper.
Sarda scam.
They are
Delhi, you
threatened,
are
they are
getting the
intimidated,
chief
they are
minister.
attacked.
Absolutely.
At
Monica, just
25
one second.
MLAs.
Just hold on for one
You
second.
are doing great
Just hold on for one second.
Of
I want to focus. Ravi Srivastav's, you know, Ravi, so much outrage you have today. Oh, Modi, Shah, this, etc., etc. Don't forget, these two underwent the strictest of investigation when there were charges against them. Their conduct was not like Mamata Banerjee today, huffing and puffing around in the face of an investigation.
Oh, they were.
All right.
They were,
Let me
they-
also
they
focus
were-
on what Kunal
their-
Ghosh, ex-aide
their
of Mamata
conduct-
Banerjee, is
their
telling us
conduct
in
will
this
be
sting
recorded in the
operation.
history.
And Sunit Chopra,
Their
we can
conduct
hear
will
me,
be
can
recorded
perhaps
in the
take this
history.
on. Because the
people to
left has
follow
been in
that.
opposition of the
Are they-
TMC.
is there
But it seems
exemplary
they
or
can't
what?
make up their mind today
They were accused.
whether they want to
They were
support Mamata
investigated.
Banerjee in
What
a
are
particular
they?
case or run away
your
from her.
Communist
They were
Party,
accused.
Kunal Ghosh
They
may be an
investigated.
accused
What
in
is
the
wrong?
Sarda
What
scam.
is
But he is
Mamata
raising
Banerjee an
several
accused?
questions
Tell
on the
me.
conduct of the
Who
senior
is
police
Mamata
officials.
Banerjee
an accused?
You are the most
Today you are
Reply
sitting
me,
here and
Mamata
giving clean
Banerjee
chit
an
to
accused.
police. I thought you were here to actually hold the administration to account. Why prejudge a situation? Why did Mamata Banerjee not allow CBI officials to meet the Commissioner of Police? Sunit Chopra, why don't you clear the stand of the left?
The left is extremely clear. The left has stated that the Modi government delayed the work from 2014 onwards. All of a sudden, they have woken up. And also two people who are allegedly involved in the matter, that is Mukul Roy and Mr. Sharma, both of them are BJP leaders today. They fled to the BJP at a certain point and became BJP leaders from being Trinamool leaders.
Zafar Islam will respond
So,
to that.
what
but
are you
Zafar,
doing?
before you respond
Tell
to
me-
that,
tell
I
me
have
one
a
thing.
question
Doing the
for
same
Sunit
thing.
Chopra. Sunit Chopra, 1 second, Zafar. Sunit Chopra, do you believe Mamata Banerjee has something to hide as far as these investigations are concerned, or no?
I believe that both Mr. Modi and Mamata Banerjee are now involved because the two men who fled the TMC became BJP leaders afterwards. So, दोनों के हाथ
Okay,
गंदे
Zafar,
हो
respond to
सकते
that.
Can I
हैं,
just respond to this?
लेकिन आपको देखना पड़ेगा.
Mr. Sunit Chopra.
जब तक गाड़ी आ रही है तब तक ही
नहीं अरे
सर जिस तरीके से कल पूरा घटनाक्रम रहा सीबीआई वर्सेस स्टेट पुलिस पूरा देखने को मिला, कैसे देखते हैं सर आप इस पूरे घटनाक्रम को और क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
और नहीं कुछ नहीं,
थ्रेट्स वगैरह भी आपको मिल रहे हैं?
नहीं कोई कुछ मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना बिकॉज वी आर नॉट ऑथराइज्ड टू स्पीक एंड CIO ने आपको पूरे डिटेल में बता दिया होगा, तो जो है उन्हीं से जो है हम उन्हीं के थ्रू आप लोगों से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं। आई एम सो सॉरी।
अभी प्लान ऑफ एक्शन क्या है?
अभी हम लोग ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आज हमने अपनी पिटीशन लगाई थी एंड सम मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन वी हैव टू सबमिट बिफोर द ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट। जैसा उनका ऑर्डर होगा विल प्रोसीड अकॉर्डिंगली।
लेकिन जिस तरीके से पूरी चीजें हुई वहाँ पे हाथापाई तक की नौबत आ गई, स्टेट में जिस तरीके की सिचुएशन बनी हुई है उसको लेकर के अगर
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं, मैं आई कैन नॉट गिव एनी सच जनरल कमेंट, है ना, तो मुझे अब जाने दीजिए। राइट, थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
All right. That is Pankaj Srivastav, CBI Joint Director, who spoke exclusively to Republic TV also first last evening, and he has claimed that his family was also harassed. Kolkata police landed up at his door in Kolkata. Today has reached Delhi. Zafar, I have 30 seconds left. Please respond to what Sunil Chopra said.
No, all I'm saying that Sunil Chopra, instead of taking a stand against Mamata Banerjee, supporting CBI is only doing its duty as instructed by the Supreme Court. But see what is making the stand. His stand is very clear that he wants to side with the corrupt. And they know it very well. No, they know it very well that Rahul Gandhi is a corrupt. Rahul Gandhi is a corrupt. So is no. So why don't you question the Kolkata commissioner, police commissioner, that he has been summoned?
I question the two men who left TMC and joined BJP, and their names are allegedly on this issue.
Why he was not responding to probed agency? The agency which was probing had summoned many times, but he was not responding. That only suggests there is something which is
because the agency had no documents. They had only a handwritten piece of paper. They had a handwritten piece of paper.
But Mamata Banerjee cannot deflect the fact that she has now defended someone
and the
who has
Supreme
grave
Court
charges
says there's no
against him.
destruction
And
of
is
evidence
this not
there.
for self-survival and self-protection? Because remember, TMC leader's role is at the center stage of all of these chit fund scams. How times have changed. Congress party that attacked Mamata is now standing with her. And it seems corruption or probity is on top of nobody's agenda as we approach 2019 elections. We'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for watching.
Both Modi
institutions. It was our discussion. We decided that on these three issues again we will meet.